Let me show you how to find large hidden files inside of your Google account. Now, sometimes inside of your Google Drive, some files may be hidden, especially those larger files. So in order to find them and in order to view those files that are hidden, you can just click on the Drive search bar on the top and then just search for this. Once you search for this, all of the files that might be hidden should be visible right inside of this section. Now, apart from Google Drive, you can also do this inside of your Gmail. So all of the emails that are larger, just click on the filter option on the top, select the greater than option, and then you can add in any number, let's say 10 MB. If you click on the search option, any files that have been sent or any emails that have been sent which have attachments larger than 10 MB will be visible right here, so that you can remove them and then remove it from the trash section as well. So using this exact two methods, you'll be able to find large hidden files inside of your Google account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.